After identifying himself as Bikoy, Peter Jomel Advincula experiences several setbacks in his case Wednesday. The Integrated Bar of the Philippines, or IBP, declines his request for legal aid to sue presidential son Paulo Duterte and the president's most trusted aide, Bongo. IBP National President Abdiel Dan Fajardo in a statement says, quote, "The Integrated Bar of the Philippines, through its National Center for Legal Aid, or NCLA, is declining the request for free legal assistance made by Peter Jomel Advincula, or Bikoy. This decision was reached after a thorough evaluation of his application was conducted by the NCLA. The NCLA is the legal aid arm of the IBP. Senator Ping Lacson will not push through with a Senate hearing to hear out Advincula. Lacson tweets Wednesday, quote, "We are now recalling the letter of invitation sent to Advincula yesterday. Notices will be sent out for the cancellation of the committee hearing on Friday. Enough of this nonsense." Lacson says he canceled the hearing because it was clear that Advincula's claims were made up. The Philippine National Police, or PNP, dismisses Advincula as nothing more than an information peddler. PNP Chief General Oscar Albayalde in a statement says, authorities encountered Advincula before as a potential informant but allegedly ditched law enforcers after he was paid or provided false information. Advincula surfaced Monday at the IBP headquarters asking for legal assistance after months of hiding. He claims to be Bikoy, the one responsible for the release of the Ang Totoong Narcolist videos, accusing Duterte and his family of links to the drug trade. Advincula earlier said he hopes to testify at the Senate after elections and bring in other whistleblowers who supposedly worked with him.